Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace of DIY Home Decor. Now here I am at the World Market, one of my favorite places, so let's walk around and see what they have. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. Now I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music and I will see you at the end. Now I'm loving all of their home decor stuff, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video.